Tonight, more than a dozen tenants are suing an apartment complex over a fire that destroyed so much of their lives. Good evening. Thanks for watching. I'm Jonathan Bruce.
And I'm Mayra Moreno. The tenants believe their losses were totally preventable. That the properties happen over there on Kirkendall near FM 1960 don't have working smoke detectors or fire alarms, they say. ABC 13's Rosie Nguyen spoke to one of the tenants and their attorney.
The Klein Fire Department tells us 80 people were displaced and 24 units were destroyed as a result of Sunday's fire. The plaintiffs in this lawsuit believe the impact wouldn't have been so bad if property management would have done what they were supposed to.
After that moment, I can no longer sleep. My body hurts. I'm no longer right in the head.
Jose Adin Reyes Cruz can't help but hold back tears when he thinks about the traumatic moment of almost losing his life. Klein Fire says the fire broke out at the Ashford Santa Cruz apartments on Sunday around 4 a.m., prompting more than 50 firefighters and 11 trucks to respond to the scene. The tenant tells ABC 13 he lives right next to the unit where the fire started, and he didn't know anything was wrong until he and his friend woke up to the sound of people running past his apartment. He says they had to jump through the flames to make it out alive. Not only did he lose his home, he lost everything he owned. Residents claim many maintenance issues they reported went unresolved. Kim Bruno, who now represents Reyes Cruz and more than a dozen other tenants, claims the apartment complex failed to ensure everyone had working smoke detectors and fire alarms, leading to multiple injuries and property loss.
The fact that they've failed to exercise adequate care for every single tenant in their building matters, and we have to do something about it.
The apartment management has not returned our request for comment. The Harris County Fire Marshal's office tells us they have not determined what the cause of that fire was. We also asked for information from their fire and code inspections. They tell us we're going to have to file an open records request to obtain that information. Reporting from Northwest Harris County, Rosie Nguyen, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.